Before we get started with this video, next Monday the 11th, I will be at K1 Speed. They are having a special event just for us. Instead of driving the go-karts regularly, they're taking the rear tires off and putting PVC on them, and we are going to be drifting their go-karts together. So I want every single person who signed this flag, and if you even didn't, if you're in or around the Dallas area, I want to see you out there. We're gonna bring some merch. I'll have the R33. Hope to see you guys there next Monday the 11th. Enjoy the video. Okay. That's I'm gonna use a plate from one of my own cars. I have the Japanese title and everything, but the last thing I want is get pulled over and have any sort of issues on the way home, so license plate. Fun fact, R33s use, well, the closest thing in America is a Prius, a Toyota Prius battery. The other day, we took everything out, replaced the spark plugs, checked the compression, and compression is great. It's 125 or a little more even in all cylinders. Today, we're actually gonna be able to drive it home. I gotta put all this crap back together though. Then we also have to relocate the negative harness for the battery, and I'll show you guys that here in a little bit, but I gotta make this car ready to drive home. Okay, everything is put back together. I think one of the first things we're gonna do with this is try and get a front-facing intake manifold to get rid of whatever mess this U-shaped thing is. Cause you know, I wanna see the valve cover. It's cool. Before I do start it though, one little thing I have to do today, I gotta relocate the ground for the battery. So the posts are actually gonna be exactly like this GTR battery. They're gonna be a little further back, which makes this just long enough. So all I gotta do is put some self-tappers probably into like one of these little sidewalls right here. This should be pretty simple. Oh God, it just fell.
Oh no.
It does not want to go in. Okay. God, I need an impact. Oh, I lost it.
Stop.
Oh my God.
You did. Oh my. Your butt crack is showing. Sorry, Mom. Yay!
So we definitely need to change the exhaust note for sure, but we have several things we need to do before. Let me tell you guys, I know there's been a lot of hate on the four-door, and I understand. When I was searching for R33s, I was gonna get a coupe, and then I was like, you know what? Let's do something a little bit different. I was gonna get the four-door. And to be honest, even when I bought this four-door, I was like, did I make a mistake? Because these are kind of, I don't know. It's grown on me so much because I've seen the potential that these have and how cool they can look, and it's made me really psyched about it. So I know some of you guys might not understand now. People also absolutely hated the R32 four-doors. People hated Adam's 32 whenever he first got it, and now people like it. So hoping I can change your mind on this one. But most of you guys actually already like it, which is good. She's right here. What's funny is you guys think everybody in Japan does everything just right and perfect, but this car was definitely held together by zip ties. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 zip ties holding this bumper on. Praying I don't hit a bump, or else you're gonna be running over a bumper too. She's pretty much ready. I'm excited that she runs good. I'm hoping she makes it all the way home. And if I stall on the way home, I'm not stranded because we have a battery. All right, boys, let's go. I figured out how to calculate Celsius to Fahrenheit. I'm just a normal American here, a normal ignorant USA citizen, and I had no idea, but I figured out. So what you do, like, so 25 Celsius right here, right? You take double Celsius and then 10% of that minus that. 50 minus 5 is 45, and then 45 plus 32 is 77. So that 25 Celsius is 77 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna have to do that for a while until I just get used to that, but it's kind of cool. Like, it cultures you a little bit. We need to make this thing louder. I am really good at backing up a car, but man, I'm telling you what, it is really weird doing it from the other side. Okay, and we're out. Boys, wish me luck. I'm gonna turn up to about, 27 Celsius. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is weird. Yeah, this car's got a booster gauge. That's cool. Got 4 bars of pressure, or about 4 bars. It's cool, dude. It's for the culture. Oh, I'm watching a movie. No, I don't get traction. This is so weird. You guys hear that? It's like a really weird spinny sound. Don't know. I'm still watching a movie. I don't know what's going on. I can't even see it. I want y'all to know, a Mini Cooper just attempted to race me, accelerated at about as slow as a Honda Civic, and then proceeded to flash his hazards when he was 10 feet in front of me. Oh man, I'm a child. I love it. We did it, boys. We made it. We drove home. No issues. That was fun. So it makes that weird noise. I'm not sure. I'm thinking it might be suspension. It might be something super easy. It might be a hub, but I might drive it around a little bit more just to try and figure out exactly what it is. But the car drives great. Ooh, seeing this paint out in the sun now is real brutal. I also, oh, you know what? That noise might have been me scraping away this. But also could be, I mean, I definitely, I need new brakes really bad. Man, this thing is fun. Oh yeah, let me show you something really weird. Okay, so this is funny. Really weird though. Maybe not funny, but just dumb. It has no throttle position sensor anymore. I looked all through the engine bay and it's just non-existent. Thankfully, everything else is like in its correct place, but look at this. They went from the wastegate. They were trying to do something here and I don't know what they was on. I'm trying to get on their level of jank. They ran a wastegate vacuum to the freaking fuel pressure regulator. That's really not ideal, but it'll work. Puppy, look, what's up, buddy? Hi. You wanna see your new car? You're probably so bright the camera can't even see you. Look at the new car, bud. Look at the new car. You wanna hop in here? This car's been to Japan. See, you've been in Mexico, you've been in America, and now you've been in a little piece of Japan. Go inside, good boy. Show him how you can go inside. Good boy. Come on. Anyways, she needs a lot of love, but boys, she's home. The fact that I have a R33 Skyline just sitting in my driveway is like completely surreal to me. And I'll say it again, this car is like really by no means like a dream car for me, but something that's always been a big ticket bucket list item for me has been to import a car, and it takes the cake. Got this foam cannon set up, boys. We finna shoot some suds. Now that the car's washed, you can really kind of tell how absolutely terrible they did on the, I mean, the paint prep on this was horrible, but like the side skirts don't even match. In fact, these side skirts are definitely GTR purple, whenever the rest of the car is just a one stage, it's not black. It's like a purple. It was repainted this purple. Like some dude in Japan just decided to, maybe he bought the kit that was purple, but like, dude, this body work was just horrible. So the car is definitely going to have to get repainted completely. So this thing actually works. Didn't think it would. It says start on it. Does it actually have a remote start? No way. It primes the fuel pump and everything all by itself. Out of all the cars we own, my junky Skyline from Japan is the one that has a start on it. What? No, it has a stop button, so can I stop it? Oh my. That's so sick. All right, that's the first time I've ever had one of these, and that is awesome. Here we're gonna go on a little drive. I want to see exactly what the sound might be. Okay, so like 40 miles an hour, which is pretty close. You're gonna start hearing a weird sound. Okay, I don't hear it. Do you hear anything?
I do not.
Okay, I could definitely hear something earlier. Maybe it was like the fender that I got out of the way. What the hell was it then? I'm so confused.
God. You're crazy.
I know. Dude, this car is so fun. So we did a little driving, and we actually did get to replicate the noise. I believe it's just the bumper. I'm gonna get some quick latches, and then whenever I go to Susie to get the exhaust fabricated, I'm gonna do a good exhaust this time. Don't worry. I'm going to have him make me a few bumper like mounting points. Have him make me some brackets and stuff. But man, guys, I can't even explain to you guys how stoked I am for this car to be in the family. I just want to say, I always say it, but thank you for watching the videos. If it wasn't for you guys always watching every day, we would have a completely different life. I would still build cars, and I'd still have an unreasonable hobby, but it would just be a tad different than this. This one's kind of off topic, but you know, I give daily advice at the very end of every video. Stuff that you're struggling with, addictions, whatever it might be, drugs, sex, alcohol, you know, whatever it is. The best thing to do, just completely, at all costs, avoid things that give you temptation. You can do some crazy things when you're alone. So try and surround yourself with people that really care about you, and stay away from things that tempt you into being something that you're really not. And also know that you are not defined by your mistakes. I love you all so much. Thank you all for this. Can't wait to detail it, but we have Subaru stuff to do tomorrow. Love y'all. Peace out. 2 videos, boys. 2 videos right in front of you. Go ahead and check them out. Go actually watch both of them. If you're an OG, you're gonna watch both. If you love me, you're gonna watch one. If you're a scrub, you're gonna not watch any.